Hello! Did you hear recently about the huge number of deaths because of lung cancer? Here is the magical power to protect yourself from lung cancer. 6 steps to protect yourself from lung cancer. Step 1. Eat a diet full of fruits and vegetables. Choose a healthy diet with variety of fruits and vegetables. Fruit source of vitamin and nutrients are best. Eat vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Step 2. Avoid second-hand smoke. If you live or work with a smoker, ask him to quit. At least ask him to smoke outside, because when you smell the smoke, it will affect you double than the smoker. Step 3. Do exercise most day of the week. Exercise is more important to your body to protect yourself from lung cancer. Step 4. Test your home for radon. Radon is a type of gas. It increases the risk of lung cancer. High radon levels can be remedied to make your home safer. For information on radon testing, contact with your local Department of Public Health. Step 5. Don't smoke or stop smoking. If you never smoked, don't start. And if you stop smoking now. Quitting reduces your risk of lung cancer, even if you never smoked for a year. Talk to your doctor about strategies and stop smoking aids that can help you to quit. Step 6. Avoid carcinogens at work. Be careful from danger minerals such as chrome, asbestos, diesel, and zinc. If you are given a face mask for protection, always wear it. In the end, prevention is better than cure. I hope these steps show you what you can do to protect yourself from lung cancer by avoiding the cause of lung cancer. And don't forget, the most important thing is that you check up yourself early. Thank you for watching my video. And have a nice day.
Created using Powtoon.